In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a site using the Wix editor. Whether you're new to Wix or looking to enhance your website's functionality, this guide will make it easy for you to embed external sites quickly and effectively. So let's get started. First things first, you need to visit the website you plan to embed into your Wix site. For demonstration purposes, let's say you want to embed a Facebook login page. Once you're on the desired website, you need to right-click on an empty area of the page and select Inspect. This will open the browser's developer tools, allowing you to view the underlying code of the web page. Now, with the inspection window open, navigate to the specific section of the code you wish to embed. You'll want to right-click the highlighted code again and choose the option to copy. More specifically, you should select Copy Element to ensure you have the necessary HTML details to embed. Once you've copied the code from the external site, go ahead and log into your Wix account. You will land on your Wix dashboard where you can access your website editor. Within the editor, locate the Pages and Menu area. It's typically situated on the left-hand side of your screen. Open it and choose to Add Page. You should select Blank Page from the options given, as this will serve as a clean slate for your embedded site. After successfully adding a blank page to your Wix site, the next step will be to include the actual embed code. To do this, look for the Add Elements option, an essential tool for customizing your Wix site. When you click on it, navigate to the Embed Code section and select Embed a Site. This is where you will paste the code you recently copied, paste your code into the designated area, and then click Update. At this point, you should see the external site begin to appear on your Wix page. However, it might not fit perfectly at first glance, so you'll want to refine it. Click on Stretch, located at the top toolbar, and choose Stretch to Full Width. This adjustment ensures the embedded site harmonizes with your overall page design, making it visually appealing and functionally effective. Finally, fine-tune the size based on your preferences to make sure everything looks just right. With that, you have successfully embedded another site into your Wix website. And there you have it. Embedding a site with the Wix editor is quite straightforward when broken into these steps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment with any questions you might have, and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one.